because I believe that you can do this, okay? So the Face Your Fear is helping you overcome this fear, helping you see that you can create a child-centered educational experience that prepares and leads to a successful life at home. You can empower yourself, and once you do, you'll be able to empower your child to proudly follow their passions, chase their dreams, and become the amazing, unique person they were created to be. You got to stop that endless frustration and move on. And once you understand their personality types, their learning styles, their love languages, what interest-led and passion-based learning looks like, you can create a learning opportunity that isn't just connected to your kids, but inspires and motivates them. Face the fear. Think about your fears. Go back through, rewrite your fears to be positive. You can go back through and write down some of the ones I had if you want. Make little sticky notes if you want to. And I want you to also think about creating a playlist. One of the best things that I do is I create music. I call it my motivational, inspirational music. And I'll share some of those in the Facebook group. But I love listening to really positive music because it helps my mindset. And I'm going to leave you with that and encourage you to move on to Module 2, which is Rethink, Refine, and Redo. And that's all going to go over the concept of deschooling and taking that time to disconnect and reprogram what you know and reprogram yourself with creating learning experiences that meet your kids' individual needs. Okay, you've got this. Don't give up, and I'll see you in Module 2.